Oh.
Okay, let's play Roblox. There's a channel. Whoa, what is this game? Wow, this is so beautiful. What's this game?
Morning, goody.
I want the one. Go here. Come on. Please. I am the NPC.
Are you recording now?
Yeah.
Just be careful, okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you didn't get lost.
What's this game?
This one is a generator. You can also keep running for that. Wait. Go to the generator.
Oh, right here.
Keep running the generator. Make sure
Since the very beginning, I have been begging Roblox for a direct line of communication. Just one person inside of the company.
What's going on in here?
I told them how I
the
was victimized on their
basement.
platform.
Wait.
I was trying to help them get safe.
Charge the basement.
Basement?
Yeah,
Okay.
to the basement.
You hear that?
Assuming for computer fraud,
After jump
The
scare.
generator is
Yan,
ready.
saan ko ni Mami?
Come on. I NPC now.
Wait, let me join you.
What is going on in
The generator. Keep running with the generator.
Dito!
I don't any. I'm so scared. Help! I'm running.
Ayun o, hindi po kumangin.
I'm here.
everybody knew it except Roblox. What's the developer's fault?
Okay.
Even though it was enabling these features, it has publicly
Lobby.
statements like this. This game has 16 billion visitors.
Welcome. Welcome, my new channel.
Leave the game, so I'll join
How
you.
unsafe this was, one of the biggest
I don't need me money. Robux. I leave it now. I leave.
seconds they were exposed to inappropriate
I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. What's this avatar? Is super sucks.
Okay.
4 seconds, Chad.
I'm in the hospital
I
for
saw
my
a
leg. We play with Uya.
hot dog.
Come on, let's steal a banger. Hiding sick. Oh, dalawa niya.
Care about safety. Trust me,
Siren.
to believe you.
Kaya maiwan kayo dalawa dito ha. Wait
that
kasi
to be
maganda
true.
na,
But how
okay?
can we believe that after everything that has just happened even more
For the Titanic sea.
Right,
Welcome to UAUA series.
I want the bathrooms.
My supposed ticket back
Going to bathrooms. Level 197. 100.
never about giving unbanned. It was about the
I think it's...
the player, the community that has
This Atizia is so sucks. Come on, bathrooms.
Didn't make sure that will be there.
Up. How to stop this? How to stop?
Stop it.
Yep.